Good morning student, welcome back. Today we will learn about our new chapter, that is retirement of partner. Meaning of retirement of partner. When one or more partner leaves the firm and the remaining partner continue to do the business of the firm, it is known as retirement of partner. A partner who goes out of the firm is called retiring partner or outgoing partner. According to Partnership Act 1932, a partner retire either with the consent of all partners or as per term of the agreement or at his or her own will. Due to retirement, the existing partner comes to an end and the remaining partner form a new agreement and the partnership firm is reconstituted with new term and condition. At the time of retirement, the retiring partner's claim is settled. The terms and conditions of retirement of a partner are normally provided in the partnership deed. If not, they are agreed upon by the partners at the time of retirement. Various adjustment on retirement. When a partner retires, his share in the property of the firm has to be ascertained and paid off. Certain adjustments have to be made in order to ascertain the amount he is to get from the firm. These adjustments are very similar to those which we saw in connection with admission of partner. When a partner retires from the business, it becomes necessary to prepare the accounts so as to ascertain the amount payable to him. So first one adjustment is new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Second one is treatment of goodwill. Third one, revaluation of assets and liability. Fourth one is treatment of accumulated profit or loss. And next one is method of payment of retiring partner. So let's start with our first adjustment, that is calculation of new profit sharing ratio. As soon as a partner retires, the profit sharing ratio of the continuing partner gets changed. The share of the retiring partner is distributed among the continuing partner. In the absence of information, the continuing partner take the retired partner's share in their profit sharing ratio or in an agreed ratio. Gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus existing ratio or old ratio. Gaining ratio, the ratio in which retiring partner share is distributed among continuing partner, is known as gaining ratio. For example, A, B and C are partner. Profit sharing ratio in 4:3:2. A retire. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of B and C. Existing ratio between B and C is 3:2. That one is 3/9 and 2/9. A's ratio or A is retired partner ratio is 4/9. A's share taken by B and C in the ratio of 3:2. B gets 3/5 of 4/9 and C gets 2/5 of 4/9. So B gets 4/9 into 3/5, that is 12/45. B's new share is 3/9 plus 12/45, that is 27/45. And C get 4/9 of 2/5, that is 8/45. So C's new share is 2/9 plus 8/45 is equal to 18/45. New ratio between B and C is 27:18, that is 3:4. Gaining ratio, formula of gaining is equal to new minus existing or old ratio. So B's gain is equal to 27/45 minus 3/9, that is 12/45, and C's gain is equal to 18/45 minus 2/9 is equal to 8/45, that is 12:8, that will be 3:2. Case 2. Retiring partner's share distributed in specified proportions. Sometimes the remaining partner purchase the share of the retiring partner in specified ratio. The share purchased by them is added to their old ratio and the new ratio is arrived. For example, PQ are a partner in a firm, profit sharing ratio 3:1. Q retire and his share was divided equally between P and R. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of P and R. Divided equally, it means gaining ratio of P and R, that is 1:1. So Q share is 2/6. Q share is divided between P and R in ratio 1:1. So P get half of 2/6 and R get half of 2/6, means half of Q share. So P get half of 2/6 is equal to 1/6. So P's new share is equal to old plus gain. Old share of P is 3/6 and gaining will be 1/6. So total is 4/6 and R get 1/6 and R's new share is 1/6 plus 1/6 is equal to 2/6. So gaining ratio is equal to new minus old ratio or existing ratio. Gaining of P is equal to 4/6 minus 3/6 is equal to 1/6 and gaining of R is equal to 2/6 minus 1/6 is equal to 1/6, that is 1:1. Case 3. Retiring partner share is taken by one of the partner. In this case, the retiring partner shares is added to that of the existing partner only. His or her share will be changed. The other partner continue to share profit in their old ratio or existing ratio. For example, A, B and C are partner in a firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:4:2. B retire and his share is taken only by C. In this case, C's share is 2/11 plus 4/11 is equal to 6/11 and A share will remain unchanged, that is 5/11. Thus the new profit sharing ratio of A and C is 5:6. Thank you. Have a nice day.